Welcome to the OneNote 2013 training video. This video will show the student the basics of OneNote and how it can be used to organize all their notes and information. OneNote is a way to completely organize all your notes without having 5 to 10 physical notebooks. That's right, you can access all your notes through one program. I will go over the basics so you're prepared to use OneNote on your first day of school. As you can see, OneNote looks very familiar. It looks just like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office products. If you've used the other Office products, OneNote should come second nature to you, as it's very similar. Let's go over some of our basic functions and tools. In the Home section, you'll find the basic Office tools, such as our clipboard, our basic text editors, the different styles, and our tags. As in most products from the Office suite, you'll be able to edit the style, color, size, and effects of your text through the basic text section. Let's go through the insert function. In the insert section, you can insert a space, insert tables, you can insert other files or parts of other files that you've created into this notebook. In the images section, you can create a screenshot with the screen clipping tool. You can insert pictures from the pictures on your computer. You can get pictures online by using the online pictures function. If you have a scanner or camera attached, you can scan an image into your notebook. You can link files or web pages with the link section. If you have a microphone attached or a built-in microphone, you can record audio and place it into your notebook. If you have a webcam or any other video capturing device, you can record video and insert it into your document. You can timestamp, insert pre-made templates for you, or even create symbols. The Draw section is new to OneNote 2013 as it allows you to configure the way your stylus or pen works in OneNote. In the Draw section, you can choose to type if you do not want to draw. You can select things with your stylus. You can turn your stylus into a digital eraser to erase text and other things you've drawn. In this section, you can configure how your stylus writes and draws. You can change the colors and the thickness. You can highlight. You can configure advanced color options in the color and thickness pane. If you wish to draw with your finger, you can click the Draw with Touch. You can draw shapes with your stylus, and other cool features. In this section, you have the basic spelling and grammar review. You can translate to different languages. You can password protect your notebook, or you can link other notes. In the View section, you can change how your notebook pages look. You can change different views. You can change the color of your notebook pages. You can create rule lines on your pages if you wish to have that traditional notebook look. You can hide the page title, change the paper size, zoom out, zoom in, open new windows. Let's go over how you would use OneNote in your classes. As you can see here, the title of our notebook is Second New Student Bible Jesus. As you can guess, this is a theology notebook for the student. You can access your other notebooks by clicking the arrow to the right of the title of the notebook. As you can see, the only other notebook is Second Miss Burke's Bible Jesus Second Period. That is the teacher notebook for this student. You will find more about that later. But as of right now, this is our only notebook. One thing I should mention is that OneNote saves instantaneously. That means there is no more save button. Whatever you type or draw or put into your notebook is instantaneously saved. So as soon as you close out and open it back up, your work is right back there. Let's go over notebook sections. Each of your notebooks, you can create different sections in your notebook. As you can see, this one is already named Section 1. We can rename this to Notes. You can create a new section by clicking the Create a New Section tab, and it creates a new section for you. We'll name this one Quizzes. Inside your sections, you can add pages. This page right here is called Untitled Page. We can right-click and click Rename and rename it. We'll call this Quiz A. You can add a new page by clicking the Add Page button, and we'll name this one Quiz B. As mentioned earlier, you can put anything you want to in your notebook, and you can do it any way you like. You can type, you can draw, or you can insert pictures and other features. Let's find a picture. Let's go to Insert, Picture. Let's search for bird. Look, a good picture. Insert. And now we have a picture of the bird. We can also move around. Let's go over teacher communication in OneNote. For every notebook you have, you will also have a teacher notebook. This theology student is also connected to his teacher, Ms. Burks. Anything the teacher puts in her notebook, the student will have access to. This makes notes, papers, quiz, and test sharing much easier. Let's say Ms. Burks, let's say the teacher wants us to grab something from her notebook. We'll navigate to her notebook. Let's say she wants us to grab Quiz 1 from her quizzes section. We'll find Quiz 1, right-click, copy. We'll go back to our notebook, right-click, paste, and now we have our Quiz 1. The teacher also has access to anything the students put in their notebooks. This will make it easier for her to collect homework, create quizzes and tests, or review the students' notes. Let's go over one more section called Send to OneNote, or Print to OneNote. If you ever find something on the web and you wish to get into OneNote, you can simply use the Print to OneNote tool. Let's say we wish to print this page into OneNote. Instead of having to copy the whole thing, we can just go to File, Print, change your printer to Send to OneNote 2013, click Print, select where you'd like to put the web page. Let's put it in the Notes Untitled page, and click OK. Now the web printout appears in our notebook. This sums up this tutorial. Thank you for watching.